Okay, Alexander, here's your puppy. He's 2 weeks old and 2 days. His brothers and sisters are crying right now. I'm going to get him to join you. They're his brothers, but see, they're 2 weeks into their weaning, deworming. I wanted to show you how big she's getting. Eyes is open, and then her eyes is blue. Look at them blue eyes. Look at that. And she mean too, Alexandria. She's a tough one. Look at her. I like him to walk around and crawl. Get some strength in your legs. See? She's gonna walk around right now. One thing about her, she takes her time and trying to absorb and see her surroundings first before she walks. She gotta check out everything, which is good. There we go. Yeah. Mama wanna see you. She getting big. I like them to stretch their muscles. See, they're not crawling anymore. They're using their muscles to get around. That's a good baby. I'm gonna show you Yolanda's. See, that's plastic. I love to get used to plastic, concrete, my feet. Come on. There we go. I'm gonna show you Yolanda's puppy. Okay. Here comes Yolanda's puppy. There, baby.